Hi Nail Fam, I hope that you guys are doing well. Happy Monday at the time of me doing this video. I need to remove my nails, so I thought I would do a removal video of how to remove soft gel or gel X-tube extensions. I need to change the shape, and I also have to do some content for a brand, so I just want to definitely take these off. So I just wanted to share a quick video on how to remove soft gel extensions or gel X nails at home. So some of the products that I am going to be using, I'm going to be using this product here called Pro Soak Acetone Remover. This is from a brand called NAILBOO. They've been sending me some products and I've been creating some content for them. So this is one of the products that they sent me. It works really nicely. Also, they've sent me over a pack of some nail clips that you would use to clip onto your nails to remove the soft gel extensions or fake nails. And just a note that their Pro Soak Acetone Remover works with acrylic and dip, nail glue, gel polish, as well as nail polish. So that's really cool. Now you will notice on here as well, just wanted to point this out, there's no hard gel on here and there's no polygel, so I'm not sure if that falls under the family of acrylic or it doesn't work with those items. But I know hard gel, you can't soak that off anyway, you have to kind of file it off. All right, so in addition to tools that you will need to remove your soft gel or gel X extensions besides your acrylic and your nail clips, you're going to need a cuticle pusher. You're also going to need some foil, some nail foil wraps. Now these ones, I got these off of Shein. You could find these on Amazon as well if you don't want to waste the time, but they were relatively inexpensive on Shein. And you could just use cheap aluminum foil from the food store as well. Just cut them up. But since these are already ready to go and they have like a little cotton pad there, that's really nice. I have some extra cotton balls here that I could just fluff out, and then I can add them onto my nails if I need that little extra as well. And also you're going to need a 100-180 file to kind of buff off the surface of the nail. But since this gel polish design that I have on my nail is not permanent, this is what I'm going to be using the cuticle pusher for. I have like a pop-off gel on my nail, so I'm just going to use the cuticle pusher to kind of find a little gap, which will allow me to kind of scrape the nails off. There we go. And I'm gonna be very quick, just kind of peel it off just like that. All right, so that's what this is for. Now on this nail over here, these crusty dusty nails, these are on kind of permanently. These have been on, I don't know how long, at least a month or so, so they are really crusty. One of them I kind of popped off because it was lifting at the cuticle area, so, but don't do that. And then the last tool that you're going to need for your soft gel nail extensions is a cuticle cutter, a nail clipper, a nail cutter, nail clipper, just to cut the nails down so that when you wrap your nails in the foil, you won't have to waste time soaking this off. There's no reason to soak this part off. You don't need it. Just cut it down and soak off the nail that's on to your nail bed. All right, so that is all of the tools that you are going to need. Make sure to, because you're working with acetone, you don't want to damage your desk, which acetone does do. You want to be sure to have some paper towel down, or you want to have one of those dental bibs, because the dental bibs kind of prevent liquids from spilling all over the place. In fact, I'm going to grab a dental bib as well so I don't mess up my table much further. So that's everything that we need. So for the rest of this video, I will be quiet, just kind of show you exactly how to remove the products off of my nails. Okay, so now that the clips and the acetone is all on the nails, just gonna close this up. We are gonna wait 10 to 15 minutes, see what the progress is, and if necessary, we'll use our cuticle pusher just to kind of scrape off any of that excess. But if it's not ready, don't force it off. Just wait for it to kind of just pop right off. So I'm just gonna do one hand on camera and the other one I'll just do off camera because I can't really work with both hands. All right, so I will be back in about 10-15 minutes. Okay, my crusty, dusty nails are done. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of cuticle softener as well as my Melody Susie drill and just kind of file them up and remove all of that dead skin. All right, guys, we are finally done here. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you in the next one.